Small fishes are swimming at dusk, frolicking in groups among the reed. A warm welcome from all of us, especially to you, the wisest indeed. Reading is essential for those who seek to rise above the ordinary. A very good day to everyone who are watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Before I enter to the main of this video, let me introduce myself first. I am Baban Shankar, son of Jay Shankar, from SMK Lui Barat in the district of Jempol in Negeri Sembilan. I have some leadership responsibilities too. I am a school librarian with secretary post. I am a vice president of Bulan Sabit Merah Malaysia in my school, and also I am a vice president of Tamil Society and Ping Pong Club in my school. I also have joined in a lot of competition with various levels. I have joined in a lot of competition such as Frog Championship from school level up to world level, Mobile Chess Tournament, Hero Championship International level, Young Innovator Challenge National Competition in 2019 and 2020, Kangaroo Math Competition in National level, Larian Keamanan Pengakap National level, IOI Mansurian Block Run National level, Larian Terbuka Zaba National level, Kabaddi Run National level KRS Online Quiz, National level BSN Online Quiz, Ujian Pintar UKM National level, which I joined in 5 years continuously, English Poetry Competition State Level Environmental Quiz, State Level Ping Pong Online Quiz, and Perpati Fun Run State Level. Let's join to the video. Today, I am so excited about this video. This is because today I want to share about the reading. I like reading storybooks because I can get a wide range of vocabularies. Other than that, I also feel fun and interesting when I read books. It can help me to get a lot of story ideas which I can use in my writing. Today, I have selected 5 books that I like very much. They are The Sword in the Stone by T.H. White, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis, The Name of the Wind by Patrick Rothfuss, The Assassin's Apprentice by Robin Hobb, and lastly, The 100,000 Kingdoms by N.K. Jemisin. From these books, I have selected only one book, which is The Sword in the Stone by T.H. White. Before we discuss about the story of The Sword in the Stone, let us discuss about the author first, who is T.H. White, is an English author who is well known for authoring novels. His nickname is Tim. Okay, now let us discuss about the story. In ancient time in England, there was a boy named Arthur. He is the son of the king. The king wants Arthur to become a king one day, but some bad men want to kill Arthur because they want to become king. The king was scared and asked help to Merlin, who is very close to the king and famous magician. Merlin takes Arthur to live with king's best friend, who is Sir Ector. Arthur learned magic with Merlin and did a lot of adventures using magic, such as changing into other species form. One day, king died. England need a king. The nobles fight each other about who will be the next king. There were a lot of troubles and people become poor and hungry. So Merlin saw these troubles and made a decision. He made a magic sword and put it in a stone. He told the nobles that man who pull the sword from the stone will be the next king of England. Years passed. England still do not have a king. Arthur also became as a young adult. Merlin thought Arthur is young enough to become king. He told Arthur about the sword in the stone. Arthur said that he cannot become as a king. So Merlin convinced Arthur by telling his father's story. Arthur also has convinced and asked him to be confident. Arthur went to the competition place. There were a lot of strong and powerful men, but Arthur was weaker than them. They laughed at Arthur that we are stronger than you. We also cannot pull the sword from the stone. You are weaker than us, so how are you going to pull the sword from the stone? Ah ha 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 ha. Arthur didn't afraid of it and went with confidence. He used all his magic knowledge and pulled the sword. England England has a king last. Arthur became as a of England and called as King Arthur. People became happier. The lesson that I learned from this story is helping our friend who really need help in the story. Who really need help. In this story, Sir Ector and Merlin helped the king to save Arthur from the bad man. As the saying goes, a friend is in need is a friend indeed. So finally, I want to recommend all of you are watching this video to read the books that I have mentioned earlier. It will be fun and interesting to read. Thank you so much for all of you are watching this video.